Hello, I'm Chris Perkins, broker-owner with Coldwell Banker Maritime Realty.
And I'm Charlotte Purnett with Charlotte Interiors Home Staging.
So about a month ago, Charlotte and I came to this property for the first time. It's one of my new listings and we have transformed it. Well, I say we, Charlotte has transformed it completely in the last 4 weeks. And I have not seen this property yet, so Charlotte is going to give us a tour about everything she's done to make this property shine.
Chris, come on in.
Do you feel under pressure?
Yes.
Wow.
Welcome to the living room.
Instantly. Okay, so this floor,
We refinished it all.
it looks brand new.
Yeah.
Like, it looks like,
Yes.
you know, have you ever been bowling to a bowling alley? It's kind of like that, I feel.
Yep.
Wow. Because it was scuffed here.
Yep. Cat marks, shoe marks, all of it. So it's
Wow.
all refreshed.
Brand new. Amazing. And your staging?
Yes. And we painted the firebox a nice black that used to be kind of an old yellow, if you remember that, or beigey.
Yeah.
So it just kind of gives it that fresh modern look, and then tied in all the modern furnishings.
Small differences, right?
Yeah.
What was your, what's the return on investment for paint?
It is
Significant. We'll
significant.
get you those stats later.
Don't have that off the top of my head, but significant.
Yeah. Cool. All right. What's
All
next?
right. Next, we come into the dining room. So in here, we painted out our bar top here. It was an old brown, if you remember.
Right.
So just freshening it up, adding a little bit of staging, showing you can use it as a nice extra bar area, and then beautiful dining room.
And it, yeah, I guess to everyone here, like the idea of us doing this is to give the property this massive lift without having a massive investment. So doing something like painting a cabinet can be extremely rewarding,
Exactly.
right?
Yep.
Which is what you did in the kitchen,
Exactly.
which I feel
we'll
like is
head
like
to
that's
next.
the climax of this, I really think.
Yes, so here we walk into the kitchen and ta-da!
Backsplash?
New backsplash. We put on new door fronts, so those are completely new with the shaker style,
Yeah.
so more modern. Changed out the hardware, painted the rest of the oak cabinets, so they were all that old kind of orangey yellow oak. Added a nice crown molding to touch it off,
Yeah.
and just really gave that nice bright refresh.
What a difference.
Yeah.
And you've kept the same stainless steel appliances, we've kept the
Yep.
same cabinet backs. All we've done is literally the cabinet fronts and the backsplash
Exactly.
painted, and it's changed the space.
Looks like a brand new
And
kitchen.
it feels bigger too.
Yeah,
for
exactly.
sure.
Yeah, because you don't have that darkness kind of coming in on you.
Yeah, amazing.
Yeah, and not very much money for investment here.
No.
We're talking about under $6,000.
And what would a new kitchen cost?
Oh, you're probably looking at least 30,000.
Yeah, doesn't make any sense.
Yep. All right, we go down the hall here
Yeah.
into the bathroom.
Oh yeah. So same idea. Backsplash?
Nope.
Okay. We'll have
So
to
this was a
read.
teal. Do you remember?
Yes.
Yeah. So it was a dark teal. We painted it a nice neutral light color.
So I was so focused on that teal paint before that I didn't actually notice the good things that were already here.
Exactly.
There you go. I feel like
Yeah.
there's a lesson there too then.
Exactly. And then just changing out the shower curtains, some nice towels, a little bit of art, and really just kind of brightening it up. Makes it appear spa-like.
Which doesn't take a lot, does it?
No, it doesn't. And then we go back into this other bedroom here.
Oh yes, this was a storage room if I recall. Yeah, freshly painted.
Yes, freshly painted, new floor again in here, or refinished, I suppose, and just staged as an actual bedroom, which
Yeah, it's funny how when you put furniture in a space, it actually feels bigger than when
Exactly.
it's empty.
exactly. So in this small room, someone might think, it doesn't fit a bed. It wouldn't work for my kids or something like that, but we show you can fit a nice twin bed in here. You have a dresser in there and a nightstand, and it's a great kids room.
Yeah, absolutely. Then
And
bedroom
then we
number two.
yeah. So this room had a purple wall, if you remember.
Oh, and the light strip.
LED light strips that all those kids love these days that
Yeah.
no one else loves. And it had open shelves in the back too, so we took those off and then just painted a nice kind of neutral light color and really brightened up the space.
And if you could hear that, everyone, you probably can't, but I can hear that nice babbling brook outside. So, you don't need a noisemaker or anything like that for your kids because you've got it naturally outside.
True. Soothing. And then we're into the primary. So not a ton was needed in this room. We updated the light fixture. We took out a little extra furniture, if you remember, like there was a dresser under the window, kind of hiding the nice light. Just kind of staging really and using some of the stuff that she already had. It makes a big difference.
And you've got a king size bed in here with a bay window, with a chair. So, you know, to your point, staging is key to showing you how much space you actually have.
Exactly.
And it's not by packing it with too many things.
Exactly.
It's having the right things.
Exactly. Sometimes staging is about taking a little bit away versus adding more in.
So remember, the purpose of this is we want to help you maximize your property value. How does that all work? Well, it starts with Charlotte and I coming by to see your home. And then
we go into a pre-listing consultation. So we're looking at all the items that are going to have the biggest impact on your home sale. So we're going to look at maybe painting, flooring, any light fixtures. We're going to make a comprehensive list for you and then provide you with our online portal, which gives you estimates, which you can either approve or not approve. And then you'll get a final total to do all those items that we're suggesting. And then we come in and we project manage getting it all done for you. So you don't have to lift a finger.
So Charlotte provides you literally an a la carte list of like, okay, I would like to do the kitchen, I wouldn't like to do the floors, or whatever you want. It's completely up to you. And we're not asking you to do this blindly. What I do is provide you with a pre-renovation evaluation of your property value. And then I'll give you an estimate of what you could potentially sell for if you invest in these items that Charlotte is suggesting. We're not looking for you to spend money. We're looking for you to invest in your property to maximize its value. Once we decide what we're doing, you have nothing to do afterwards. We will literally project manage the entire rest of the process.
And then come in at the end and stage it all for a beautiful reveal.
We could, yeah, you know, thank goodness this isn't love it or list it, because I think that people would choose to stay once Charlotte's finished. So if you are looking to maximize your property value, but you don't know where to start, you don't want to deal with the stress involved, you don't want to do literally anything, but you know, you don't have to. Let us guide you. Call me, Chris Perkins, broker owner with Coldwell Banker Maritime Realty.
And me, Charlotte Interiors, for all of the home staging, project managing, estimates, things like that.
Between the two of us, we will make sure that you make the most of your next move.